everybody, this is Jen. I am back with, this is Fabulous 50s, right? When was the last time I uploaded? I'm gonna have to check that. But I'm on to a new adventure into press-on nails. Yes, I'm learning to do this. I'm hoping to get another side hustle once I get good enough. But I think for starting out, I overdid it. Now, I had some things already, which I did not bring them out because I had been doing my own gel nails on my natural nails once in a while. But now that I'm getting into press-ons, here's what I got. This is my lamp. I used to use one of those little tiny handheld, like you can maybe, you're lucky you get 3 fingers under it, right? Then last year, I got this one, and it works really well. My big Beatles collection. Campfire from Beatles. Markers. Black and white gel polish. But that's not all. There's more coming tomorrow through Tuesday. I went overboard. But with that campfire set back here, I did do my first press-on myself. Nothing fancy. I just used a green and I put one of the glitter colors, a gold glitter color on top. That's it. I wanted a springy vibe. But of course, as I am watching all these other YouTubers and stuff, it's like, enablers. I gotta have that. I gotta have that. I gotta have that. But that's my haul.